present. Yes, good morning. We are going to discuss today question answers. We have already completed this chapter, so few question answers we will discuss today. And if you know the answer, you can directly speak the answer. Fine. So the very first question is negative index -1 belongs to dash of string.
Last character.
Last character.
Answer is last character. Which of the following, because see -1, no, because we know if we have any string, so -1 indicates last character, then -2 second last, -3 third last, and so on. Then which of the following is or are not legal string operators?
D.
Slash.
Fine. You can see that this we are using as a membership operator. This we are using for concatenation. This for application. This is not allowed. Fine. Which of the following function will return total number of characters in a string? Total
Len.
length we are using. Fine. Then after this, next we are having is, just let me rotate this. Okay. Which of the following function will return the last 3 characters of the string? If you want last 3 characters, what will be the slicing actually you are going to use?
C.
Fine. Answer is C. The reason is C. What you have to understand over here, that if we are using this statement, this is from third string till end. If we are using this, then from 0 string till 3, which is not included. Here from -3 till end. Okay. And here you are saying from 0 till -3. So it is giving the initial values, not the last 3 characters. So answer will be C. Then next is which of the following function will return the first 3 characters of the string? We have just now we have discussed first 3 if you want, then B colon 3. Fine, because starting when it is not given, by default it will be 0 only, and then up to 3. Then next is which of the following function will return the string in all caps?
C.
Answer will be
A.
no. Answer is A. A is the correct answer. Is upper is going to check. Okay, it is not going to return. Here the word is given return. You must be very careful that whether it is return or it is check. Okay. Which of the following function will return a string with every P replaced with Z?
Replace.
Very good. It is replace function. It is going to check as well as it is going to replace also with a new character or the word. Then next is which of the following functions will return a list containing all words of the string?
D.
Yes, anyone, what will be the answer of this?
D, ma'am.
C भी हो सकता
Answer for this will be D. अच्छा, now why not C? अगर C नहीं है, then why not C?
Ma'am, because it converts into tuple.
Tuples.
Yes. If you have seen the differences, no? So list will be given by the split function and not by the partition. Which of the following function will return the always a tuple of 3 elements? So just now we have discussed, answer will be partition.
C.
Yes, it is going to give you in the form of tuple 3 elements, initial values, comma separator, and comma the remaining values. What is the output of the following code? See, this code is given. Now, what do you think will be the output? Just see the code and let me know.
A.
See, if you will see this particular code properly, no, this is string 1, then this is string 2. Then string 1 dot is digit. We are checking. So string 1, we are checking all the characters are digit or no. So this is wrong. And string 2, we are checking all the characters are digits. So you can see, yes, all the characters are digits. So this is true. So this is false and this is true. Answer will be A. Then question number 11. choose the correct function to get the ASCII code of a character. If you want ASCII code of any character, which function you are going to use? And we have discussed this previously.
B.
B.
Answer will be B,
B.
ordinal. Means ORD is short form for ordinal. Fine. Then 12th question, which method should I use to convert string Python programming is a fun to Python programming is a fun? You can see the difference in the string. Which one we will be using?
Title. B.
Yes. Remember why I'm not saying I'm not choosing capitalize over here. Why title?
Because we don't want particularly P to be only capitalized.
Yes. Remember one thing, if we are using capitalize, only the first character of the line or the string will be capital, remaining all will be small. Whereas if we are using title, then every word's first character will be in the capital. Okay, then next is guess the correct output of the following string operation. What will be the answer? Very easy.
A.
A.
See, basically we are using here multiplication by 2. Multiplication indicates here replication. So WAH will be written 2 times. So this will be the answer. Okay, then next is what is the output of the following string operation?
A.
You can see that a complete string is given. Then we are checking is elnum. No, why it is true? Elnum indicates what?
Alphabet and number.
So are you sure that only alphabets and numbers are there in this string?
No, ma'am, a special character is also there.
Which is the special character?
Dot.
Only dot?
Dot and space.
Very good.
Space.
Two special characters or non-alphanumeric characters are there. One is the space and second one is dot. So therefore it is not allowed. Okay, so you have to be very careful with this. Then next is select the correct output of the following string operations. You have to tell what will be the answer of this.
B.
B. Okay, if we will see this, see what you have to understand over here that we are saying from starting till 3. Means 3 will be excluded. So 0, 1 and 2. WAH plus BHYI. And then STR1 from -3 till end. So -1, -2, -3 means from A till end. A till end means all this AHA. So therefore answer will be B.
मैम इसमें स्पेस भी रहता है मैम, प्लस डाल दे तो
क्या 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 रहता है?
मैम स्पेस
कहाँ पे?
मैम जैसे वाह भाई वाह मैम इसके अंदर बीच में स्पेस है ना मैम. ये स्पेस कैसे आया?
Actually, they should not give this space also. Okay, this should not give space also. Like if when we are executing, no, that time we are not even getting space. And otherwise, then we have to say none of these. 1 second. STR1 is equal to WAH and then print. Then it given STR. Turn off your cameras, all of you. Print STR1, then 3 : is given, then plus BHYI, then a comma was not there, plus, and then it was something like this STR1 of :3.
minus ma'am
STR1 it is :3, then this
ma'am it is
minus 3 colon this.
Ma'am, it is Vaha.
WA. Okay, then we need to change it again. I'll change it again. But see, leave that. But what we have to understand that it is not giving space. Okay, our problem is in this question only this is the answer. They have given the space, but because no other option is there. If it is none of the above, that also we can select. But because no option is given, therefore we are selecting this. But internally you have to understand that these space will not appear. Fine. Therefore we have executed just now so that we should be clear that what will be the answer. Question. Next question is select the correct output of the following string. I hope you have seen the question. What will be the answer of this?
C.
Okay. Are you sure?
C.
D.
Just wanted to show you here one thing. Because it is capitalized, and what is the property of capitalized? What capitalized will do?
It will make first letter as capital.
What about remaining all characters?
Become small.
Okay. You can see here the difference. It was capital, but when we have used capitalize, it has converted it into small. It means capitalize is checking for the first character as well as it is checking the, it is also checking remaining all characters. Okay, whatever we are going to give over here. Suppose if I'm writing all characters in capital, it is going to convert it into small. So this is what the property of capitalize. Now let me know what will be the answer of this.
A.
A.
Fine. Now I hope it is clear that why it is A, because if it is Anu, John and A and J was in capital, but it is going to convert it to the small letter. Fine. Then question number 17. To get the character from ASCII number, what is the
C.
yes, answer is C, that is CHR and then the number. Okay, now the next question, what will be the answer?
False.
False.
It is given a, see, they have given here that the single space is there and then is LNUM will return false. The reason is because its space is also a character and it is not alphanumeric. Just now we have discussed that also. Which of the following function removes all the leading and trailing spaces from the string? Leading and trailing means from the left as well as from the right side.
C. Strip.
C is strip function. Then the last question, which of the following function will raise an error if the given substring is not found in the string?
B.
B. Index.
Fine, we have already discussed that index function will give you the error if it is not found, if the information is not there in the list. Okay, then we have so many fill-ups. The very first is, let me know the answers. The string index begin with?
0.
It will always start with the 0 index. Fine. Next is, for string dash operator perform concatenation.
Plus.
Answer is plus. Replication?
Asterisk.
Asterisk. Okay. Then next is dash and dash are membership operator. Acha, they have directly given you the answer also. Fine. So this is only the
And
answer.
nothing.
By mistake, they have given you the answer in the book. Okay. So answer is in here and here not in, because both of these are membership operator and valid with the strings. Then next is dash returns the ASCII value of a given character. If you want ASCII value, which function?
ORD.
Okay, ORD. And one more thing you have to take care that when you are going to write ORD, if I have given you fill-ups, after ORD, it is compulsory that you are going to put this bracket because it indicates that it is a function. So this bracket is actually compulsory that you are going to write. If a letters and digit, function dash will return true for letters and digit.
Isalam. Num.
Is
Isalam.
because see ultimately we have to check. So is elnum will be the answer. Next question. AB dot is alpha will return value as
True.
this will give you true. So whenever you are going to write, always remember for true T has to be in the capital because you have to write the proper keyword. To get each word's first letter capitalized, dash function is used.
Title.
Title.
Remember, you have to make thing very clear. If you want every word to be in capital, every word's first character in capital, then we will be using title. And then after brackets, function dash raises an exception if the string does not.
Index.
Just now we have
Index.
discussed it as index, fine. And function dash divides a line of text into individual words.
Split.
Split. Okay, that split, this will be the answer. I hope this is clear to all of you, fine. Then true and false. String have both positive and negative indexes.
True.
See, every collection is having both positive and negative indexes. Means forward traversing as well as backward traversing. Python does not support a character type. A single character is treated as a string of length. See,
True.
it is true, and let me tell you the reason. Because we have never discussed about characters in the Python, character data type in the Python. We are saying, no, if you wanted to write us, if you are writing single character, then also we are saying that we are writing string. So this is also string for us in Python. In other language, when we write anything single, then we used to say that it is a character. But Python has not given us that particular data type. So therefore, it is given that it does not support character type. Even the single word will be, single character will be also treated as a string in this case. Strings are immutable in Python, which means a string cannot be modified. True or false? Immutable or mutable? Strings.
Mutable.
It is
Immutable.
immutable, beta. So this is true. We cannot make change in the string. Then like plus all other arithmetic operators are also supported by strings.
False.
False. The reason is division is not supported. Functions capitalize and title returns the same result. Is it true?
False.
False.
Just now we have checked, not allowed. Function partition and splits work identically.
Yes.
False.
False, because one is returning list, another one is returning tuple. Then one is returning always 3 information and another one is returning all the words splitted, all the words in the splitted form. Then find and index are similar function.
True.
They are similar function. Only one, what to say, difference is there. Otherwise, they both are similar. The find does not raise an exception if the string is not found.
True.
True.
True. The partition function's results is always a 3-element tuple.
True.
True. Even we have seen if the information is not there, then also it is going to return 3 information. The split returns always a 3-element.
False.
This is false. Okay, this is the main difference now. So this is false. Now come to question number.
Ma'am,
Hanji.
ma'am, is there any program in which, ma'am, if we ask input from user, then we ask like plus or minus, and ma'am, if user minus, then we again ask a word, and when the user give the word, that word should be minus from that string.
You give me one example.
Just like we user the word like be on, and then we give the arithmetic character like minus, and when it asks input, we give on, and the output will become the b.
Means you wanted to do subtraction, something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
And then on the basis of subtraction, what you wanted to do, you wanted to remove that particular string.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can do it. What you have to do in that particular case? Anyone, any idea? Otherwise, I will tell. Actually, what you wanted to do, for example, if I'm completely clear, suppose I'm giving correct the code. Okay, then I am giving minus, and then I am saying code I wanted to remove. Okay, means substring I am giving, and then from this complete string I wanted to remove this. Is it possible? First of all, I am clear with the question, right?
No, ma'am.
Can we use del function? Ma'am, pop function.
Right,
And
pop
remove-
function and del function you are using in the list and that tuples, right? Having complete string. Now you have 21 functions that we have seen in the book. By using that, let me know how to remove this code.
Replace, ma'am.
So what I will do with the replace? What to do with replace?
Split.
Answer is correct, but what to do with replace? For example,
Ma'am, we can get the particular word to replace and we can replace it by space or simple like.
we'll check that. Suppose I'm writing something like this, on. Find is on, and then to replace it with nothing. See, we don't want it to give anything, right? Subtracted. This is what you were saying?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, if we write this in a program, then
So it's like this only, no? You have to ultimately get this in the in any other string. Okay, means whatever your answer, it is returning the string, right? It is returning the remaining string. So what you have to do, simply you have to store it in any other string, because see, your strings are actually immutable in nature. So ultimately you have to store it in something else. For example, let me show you that also. For example, this one only, again I'm writing here, and I'm writing a is equal to something like this. Fine, then press enter. Now you press your a. So a is having the complete information minus whatever substring you have given over here. And remember, no spaces we are giving, because space itself is a value. It means you are adding space. So space we will not give, remember, in this case. When we don't want anything, we will write here nothing. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so this was the question now. And in this particular question, you have to find the output. See, I just wanted to give you, along with this, I just wanted to give you question answers of this particular chapter, because we will keep on discussing all these answers, but at the same time, you have to write the answers in your notebook also. So I'm just giving you the work. Just one more minute, fine? That you can note down because we have less time. The very first thing is, come to type A. In your type A, question number 4, then question number 6, 7, 9. Then after that, type B complete. As we have already said that type B we will do complete always. These two in your notebook. Then for your practical file, that is from the type C. Type C in practical. Okay, now in type C, all questions we will not do. 1, 4, 5, and then 9 and 14. Maximum questions are already given to you. We have discussed also. So you have to do all these questions. Clear? These all in your notebook and this one in your practical file. Okay. Now again the same thing. Now let me know the answer of this.
Ma'am, in 7th, S1, asterisk, N1.
Figure out the problem with the following code fragment and correct the code and then print. See, they are having two strings, two numbers. Now we are checking S1 plus S2 means string concatenation allowed or not allowed, first of all?
Allowed.
This is allowed. String
Allowed.
multiplied by number.
Not allowed.
Are allowed hai.
Allowed.
It is going to replicate, right?
Allowed.
That
Seventh
means
one is
then
not
it going
allowed.
to print. S1 plus N1.
Not allowed.
This is not
Not
allowed.
allowed. String and numbers cannot be added. And S1 into S2. Again, not allowed. Now see, they are asking the change. So here instead of plus, we should have asterisk. And here instead of asterisk, we must have plus. Only this is the change we are going to do. Okay, then after that, next is this one. These all questions are actually good questions. Now in this particular question, you can see the complete string is given to you. And in the last it is given, it is not printed here, but last is print count. Okay. And then you have to tell the output. And the question is, the input given over here is AA, BB and CC. This is the input. Okay. And remember print string, and then after that last line is print count. Now you have to tell what will be the answer. Twinkle, your answer is correct. And you have to print the value of count also. Yes, Twinkle, that is wrong. Naman, correct answer. Okay, fine. We'll discuss this answer. See, the very first thing is this is the string given to you A, B, B, C, C. Fine. Initial value of count is 3. We are running the loop infinite time. So it means we will keep on repeating and until or unless there is no terminating statement. Here, though, there is no terminating statement. So ultimately, when we will come out from the loop, when this else will get executed. So now the very first thing is if string of 0 is equal to A. So you can see this is your string of 0, which is A only. So this condition is true. What we are assuming that my string is going to refer to my original strings from second index till the end. So 0, 1, 2 from 2 till end means BB and CC will be my new string, means it is pointing to that location. Okay. Then this else if and else will not work. Then again we will go to the starting of the loop. Again while true, condition is correct. If string of 0 is equal to A, this time this is my string. Fine. This is my new string is BBCC. So string of 0 is equal to A, this is false. String of -1 is equal to B. So -1 is C. This is also false. So what I am saying, simply incrementing this count. Count was initially 3, it will become 4 and then break. So after break, we will come out from the loop. And then we have to print the string. So it is BBCC and value of count will be 4. Another question is AACCBB. This is the next question, AA, then CC and then BB. Now you have to tell what will be the answer. Twinkle wrong. Naman correct. What about other students? Better try to do. I hope answer is clear to all of you, fine? That how we are going to do. And those who have completed, they have to do for this also, A, B, C, C. Those who have given the correct answer, A, B, C, C. Achal wrong. Okay, we will discuss first this answer, A, C, C, B, B. This one we are discussing now. This is my string. Parag, your answer is also wrong. I don't know why you all are writing these answers. We will understand this first. A, C, C, B, B. Count is 3 while true. Then if string of A is 0, this is correct. Okay. So from 2 till n, 2 till n means from CC till BB. This is my new string for the next time. Next time again when I will execute this loop, if string of 0 is equal to A, this is false. If string of -1 is equal to B, this is true. This is true means now I am going to change my string from 0 till 2. This is my new string. 0 till 2 means this is 0, this is 1. Only these two. So it is CC. CC will be my new string. Then again I will go to the loop. As string of 0 is A, false. -1 is B, again false. Only I have to increment the count. It will become 4. And then because of break, I will come out. And then this is my last question, A, B, C, C. Yes, Naman, correct answer. Okay, so we have less time, so I will explain now only. A, B, C, C. This is my string. If I'll check this, string of 0 is equal to A, correct? From 2 till end, so 0, 1, 2. So CC will be my new string. Okay. Then again, when I will execute, this condition will be false. -1 is B. This is also false. So directly I will come here and count will be incremented. So it will become 4. So answer is CC and 4. I hope this is clear to all of you. And remember, you have to solve the questions that I have given today from this particular chapter. Okay. And next time we will start doing next chapter. Okay, then good day, all of you.